desolate open landscapes, and skulls and skeletons like these are a constant reminder of the cycles of life. It's also the cycles of life that actually bring these birds, the Namakwa sand grouse, to come and look for water and to forage for food in this area. They collect water in their feathers. They travel for many, many kilometers to bring this water back to their nests and to their young. After a little while, I noticed this jackal trotting through this group of sandgrouse, and I was quite surprised because he was not at all interested in them, and he made this beeline for the water's edge and stopped very, very quickly to come and have a drink. But anyway, after a while, this jackal decided, okay, time to move off out into the open areas. We came across this lone ground squirrel who was happily scampering around in the dust and foraging for food next to the road. They grow to be about 40 to 50 centimeters in length. Sometimes it seems that he was watching me, and at times, obviously, looking out for danger. A little while later, we came across this family of ground squirrels. Ground squirrels have these definitive light stripes down the sides of their bodies, and they also have these tiny little claws, obviously good for catching insects or for burrowing. They are sociable creatures also, and they live in community burrows. These are very animated little animals, and everything seems to happen at double speed, whether they're scratching for food, burrowing, or just sitting up on their haunches, chewing the food that they've got.